You are going down, okay?
Pay attention as our officers are profiling you, give them accurate information that they can use. Because the federal government has a multi-stakeholder plan for your reintegration. There are different agencies that are not here, but that have different programs for you, from training to capacity building, vocational training, employment training, and also empowerment. And so it is with this information that you give us that will be able to facilitate your reintegration. So I'll hand over, before I hand over to the private group of businessmen, I'll also hand over to NEMA. We heard from them upstairs, National Emergency Management Agency.
Future leaders of Nigeria. They will grow up to tell the story. East or west, hope is always the best. Whatever that has happened in South Africa shall not be a hindrance to your growth. You coming back to Nigeria is a good thing. You don't need to be a patriotic citizen. Nigeria is good and is blessed. We are endowed with a lot of mineral resources in this country. I believe if you settle down properly, enroll your kids in school, settle down and find something to do for yourself, you will be more better placed in Nigeria than even in South Africa, where you were. So I wish you all you guys, a nice day in Nigeria. We will keep in touch with you people and also endeavor to make sure that you do all the necessary registrations as required by the various agencies of the government here. And also, I want to use this privilege and opportunity to thank our president, the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, for his magnanimity in bringing Nigerians back from South Africa. Thank you very much.